Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 55 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or customize the widgets that are displayed on your Garmin Forerunner 55. So this can be useful if when scrolling up or down from the watch face, you want to change the order or you want to change which widgets are displayed when going up or down from the watch face. So in here we can remove widgets, we can change the order, or add other widgets as well. So there's a couple different ways to do this. First, if you're already on a widget, maybe if you go down, you can change the order of the widget or remove it by simply holding the up button while on the widget, and then going down and selecting either remove widget, add widget, or reorder widget. So if I select reorder widget, it'll let me move that widget in the list of widgets I have already configured. And then once you've moved it to wherever you want it to be, you can select that spot by using the start or stop button. Now I think the easiest way to customize the widgets or remove them or reorder them is through the settings, and we can get there by holding the up button just for a second or two, then scrolling down until we get to appearance, select appearance using the start or stop button, and then go down and select widgets. So in here we can quickly see all the different widgets we have. If you want to customize any of these, simply select it using the start or stop button, and then we can quickly remove them by using the start or stop button again. Additionally, you can select into them and then just start moving them. And then once you find the place you want to move them, use the start or stop button to select that. Finally, we can go all the way to the bottom and we can select the plus button to add additional widgets. And we can see all the different widgets that are available to add to our watch. I'll add intensity minutes. So once you find the one you want to add, select it. Once you select it, it'll remove it from the list of available widgets, and you can add additional widgets if you want to. From there, select the back button, and you'll see those new widgets added to your widget list. And here we can change the order by simply selecting them and then moving them wherever we want them to be. And then finally saving that spot with a start or stop button. So now, once we're done editing the widgets, we can go all the way back until we see the watch face. And then when we go up or down, we'll see the new widgets that we just added in the order that we customized. All right, so that's how you customize or change the widgets on your Garmin Forerunner 55. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 55 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.